It's the best kept secret of Muncie.
With a new student, we let them kind of come in for the first year and explore and find out what it is they're really wanting to do.
That's what happened to Ashley Martin. She started on the mechanical team and switched gears to join the media team. Now she's majoring in marketing at Ball State.
Going through this program, I not only learned a passion where I could use my art in a different format where it actually looked nice and it worked well, but it also helped me prepare for what I want to do in life.
Now the program is preparing Caleb Schlenker for his future.
We first come up with something we need for the robot, a specific plate or design. Then we take that design and plug it into the computer, making a 3D model of it. After that, I take the dimensions from the computer and create the part out of actual metal and aluminum in the machine shop.
Schlenker is currently a junior, but hopes to go into mechanical engineering in the future.
We give students who normally wouldn't get involved with things in high school to give them a chance to come in and be part of something, and it can help them find a career, figure out what they really want to do.
And now that Martin figured out what she wanted to do because of the team, she's back, mentoring students on the media team and teaching them the skills that she learned.
Honestly, it means the world to me. It's really crazy going from actually being a student and learning all these things to actually teaching students. I mean, it's a completely different mindset.